Hello friends, the topic I have chosen for the session is RAID. RAID is a very popular technique in the storage technology. The moment we say storage, a few things come up in our mind. One thing, how wonderful is the storage when it comes to storing quickly, when it comes to retrieving quickly, and also fault tolerance. That is, if in case whatever we have stored gets lost, how do we reconstruct the data back? RAID provides for all this, that is performance, availability as well as fault tolerance in one or the other method. What I have decided to talk in this session is two very important techniques of RAID. One is striping and the other one is mirroring. Striping is a technique in which data is divided into parts or strips and striped over many independent disks simultaneously. In fact, the RAID full form itself says that redundant array of independent disks. So, on independent disk, data gets concurrently stored in the form of a stripe. The advantage is data can be stored quickly, data can be retrieved quickly. But however, striping doesn't provide for any kind of fault tolerance because there is no redundancy or duplication involved in this. In case the data gets lost, then the stripe has to be done again. The whole process of striping has to be repeated. The second method is mirroring. Mirroring, as the name says, a mirror copy of the whole data gets stored. So, instead of storing data once, we are storing data twice. So, that disadvantage is lot of memory. In fact, twice the memory is needed. But the advantage is if one disk fails, immediately data is available in another disk and it can be got back from the surviving disk. So, 100% reliability is the advantage of mirroring. However, it takes a little more memory than the other techniques. But one thing I would like to say before concluding this session, mirroring should not be mistaken for backup. Mirroring is every time we write twice. Backup is a methodology wherein after storing something in due course of time, a copy of that is kept. So, if at all if we record something now, in case of backup, if you have taken it 10 minutes earlier, then the backup copy and the mirror copy are different. But in case of mirroring, it happens simultaneously. So, both the mirrored copies have whatever is stored latest in it. Thank you.